Welcome back to Cyber Learning, your go-to channel for all things and tech. Today, we will show you how to use PicsArt app. Step 1. Account Setup. Begin by opening the PicsArt app. If you are new, create an account by hitting Create an Account and following the prompts. You can use email, Facebook, Snapchat or Apple ID to sign up. Verify your account via email and you are ready to roll. Step 2. Basic editing. Let's start with cropping. Head to Tools and select Crop. Adjust your image aspect ratio for Instagram, Twitter or other platforms. There is also free crop to manually select areas. For other edits, use the lasso tool. Step 3. Adjusting the image. Moving on, let's enhance your image. Tap Adjust to manually tweak contrast, saturation, shadows, highlights and more. Explore Retouch to experiment with hair, eye and skin color changes. Remember, undo is always there if things get wild. Step 4. Adding elements. Want to get creative? PicsArt lets you add stickers, text and callouts. Just tap stickers or text to personalize your image. Callouts can be a fun way to add captions or speech bubbles. Step 5. Export and share. Save the edited image to your device by clicking the Save button or hit Next to post on PicsArt. You can even add hashtags and descriptions. Want others to remix your work? Enable Replays to let them see your edits and create their own. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Cyber Learning. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for awesome content.